I'm Emily Cappiello with the Gourmet Insider, and today we're at Croteaux Vineyards on Long Island, the only vineyard in the United States that exclusively makes rosé wine.
The original owners, their slogan was always rosé on purpose. They really thought it was a niche that hadn't been broken into, and they wanted to break that stereotype of what rosé is thought of and what American rosés are thought of. We're not a byproduct of the red wine making process. We are very purposeful in what we're doing, and that there is a really nice and delicate way to do that. Because we solely are rosé, all of our thoughts go into perfecting that process. We're not trying to make a red and then bottling, where this is what we do. So all of those little nuances that come to making a perfect Provence style rosé, we really think about. So we get to be super thoughtful in that, and also in the way that they differ from each other.